There are a few stitches that are essential for crocheting amigurumi, so hopefully you'll find this tutorial helpful. Let's get started. We're first starting with the slip knot. This is what's going to start most of your projects. It takes a few tries to get used to, but once you got it, it's really easy. So you're going to start by wrapping around your finger. I like to grab it with my two other fingers and take the back loop and place it over the front one. Hold it there and don't slide it off the finger. Then take the next loop and place it over that one. This one will be going over the finger. Now you should only have one loop on your finger. Take the end and pull it tight. If it's difficult at first, just keep trying. Soon it'll be so easy you won't even have to think about it. So one more time, I take it and I wind it around twice, and taking the back, placing it over the front, holding it, taking the next one, sliding it off the finger. Then all you have to do is pull on the end, place your hook through, and then pull on the end again to make it tight around your hook. So for the next stitch, we're going to be doing a chain stitch. This is the easiest stitch of all of them. I'm right-handed, so I'm holding my hook in my right hand. Then I'm going to take the yarn, place it over the hook. I use my other fingers to keep it tight and from falling off the hook. Turn your hook down and pull the yarn through the back loop. Now you should be back to having only one loop on your hook. So from here, we're just going to keep repeating that process. Wrap the yarn around your hook, turn your hook down, and pull it through the back loop. The trickiest part is keeping the loops on the hook and keeping them the right tension. As you do this more and more, your loops will start looking a lot more symmetrical and clean. Keep practicing and make as many stitches as you want. Now for the most important stitch, the single crochet stitch. For this stitch, you're going to need your chain stitch chain that we just did. You're going to turn your hook around and place it through one of the chain stitch loops. Wrap your yarn around the hook, and just for reference, this is called yarning over. Pull that loop through the first loop. Now there should be two loops left on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over again, and then this time pull it through both the loops. And that's how to do one single crochet stitch. So now we're going to keep repeating. Place your hook through the next chain stitch in front. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over again, and then pull through two loops. This will take a lot of practice and patience. The more you do it, the easier it'll get, and soon you'll be very satisfied with your results. This particular stitch is the most commonly used in amigurumi, and most stitches are based off of it. Now that I've done 3 single crochet, I'm going to continue filling up the chain. Stitch is super important for adding shape to your amigurumi objects, and if you know how to do a single crochet, this will be super easy. You're going to start out doing a single crochet like normal. I am building upon our other stitches that we just did. All you have to do now is do another single crochet for the exact same loop that we did the other one. So 2 single crochet stitches are sharing the same loop on the bottom. When you do this enough times, it'll cause them to multiply and you'll get a larger piece. If you understand the concept of the increase, the decrease will not be too much harder for you. Start by yarning over and pulling through like we're doing a normal single crochet, but keep that on your hook and go to the next chain stitch loop. Put your hook through, yarn over again, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over one more time, and then pull it through all 3 of them. Basically, we just turned 2 stitches into one, and in real life, this would make your project smaller. So now I'm going to teach you how to actually start your amigurumi projects. Most people like doing a magic ring, but I find this easier for beginners. You're going to start with a slip knot and then do 4 chain stitches. Now I'm going to take my hook and I'm going to place it through the very first stitch that we did. Now I'm going to yarn over and pull it through both of the 2 loops I have on my hook. It might look weird now, but you're going to place the hook through the very center of our little circle we made. Yarn over and just do a regular single crochet stitch. You're going to do a total of 6 single crochet stitches all the way around the loop. I hope you found this helpful. If you need to, you can always slow down the video. So now you might be able to follow patterns and tutorials on YouTube on how to do your own crochet amigurumi projects. I have more tutorials for easy free crochet patterns on my YouTube channel, so go check that out.